Hello humans, welcome to the hidden source. Actually, I'm playing something different today. Let's see if you... Oh my gosh, my dog is just creeping around the corner. Okay, let's see if you guys like it. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna play one round. I'm gonna upload it because it's New Year's. I'm trying to do some cool stuff for you guys. So I'm just gonna upload this and that's it. Alright, tell me if you guys like it. Tell me if I should play more of this. That type of stuff. Alright? I'm also not gonna edit this because there's really no point. It's just going to be a very short video. Leave a like, comments, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you guys don't know what the Hidden is actually some kind of test project that some kind of government was working on and some kind of crap. And, oh, hello guys. Anyway, apparently a team called IRIS is trying to kill the Hidden. And the Hidden only has a knife and a flashbang, some kind of pipe explosion grenade. Explosive grenade. Anyway, he's invisible. You could barely see him. As you can see, he's standing on the left side, right next to him. Oh, he got shot. Anyway, you can see like a little. If you guys ever seen like heat, like I know you can't see heat, but no, if you guys see like the heat, if you guys like turn on the gas or something like that, and then just look at a blank spot and you see the heat, it's like it's like wavy air or something like that. That's what the Hidden looks like. It's very hard to see him, so this is a bit challenging. And plus, the Hidden has some kind of superpower of jumping extremely high, something like that. What the? Oh, he's still here. Oh yeah. If he also gets a dead body like that and slashes it up a bit, he regenerates health. Just a little bit, not a lot. And now I'm gonna show you how I do things. Probably gonna suck. This is like my second time playing. The first time I played just really for, you know, trying to learn the controls and everything. So right now we're the team. You have to look for the Hidden. The lasers actually help us out because, oh, someone died. Oh, he's up there apparently. The lasers help us out because if he's right in front of us, we can see him. Because the laser points at him and not directly. Oh, he missed. Oh. Wow, that was easy. Okay, I'm gonna do another round. I'm gonna actually play as the Hidden once, so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, hello, there we go. I didn't even know it was gonna be the Hidden, but whatever. Not. Oh, also I could use like some kind of infrared thing or something like that to see where the people are. All I have to do is stand still. Oh, this is not infrared. My bad. My bad. Where the, oh, there they are. Oh, hello. He saw me. Oh, crappy. These players are good. Oh, jeez. What the hell? Oh, he can stick onto walls as well. Oh, damn it! Oh, I suck. Okay, you guys deserve another round. Jeez.
617 has been spotted in the sector.
Sorry.
Let's take him out.
This is a really closed map. Can't really do anything here. Also, if you go into rage mode, if the Hidden has less than 10 health, he actually could go into rage mode, or right click, and actually kill people in one strike. Crap. Oh yeah, got him. Oh crap, I can't really turn on the light and see what he looks like, but whatever. Anyway, it's just this like extremely skinny dude with a bunch of band-aids on him and blindfold on for some reason. I don't know why. Wait, what? I just saw a laser from nowhere. Oh, they're over there. Whee! Yeah! Also, you can see their health. See? If they're red, it's bad. I'm gonna throw another one. Another one! Aw, oh, crap. Whee! Oh, that was the thing. That was the thing. But I'm not in rage mode, so I can't really kill them in one shot. Can I talk?
I see you.
I'm gonna grab on here. Oh jeez, what the fudge? Oh my gosh, I suck, people. Very sorry. Oh, I killed 2 people? Oh, hidden twice. Got it.
617 has been spotted in this area. Let's take him out.
We got this. I see you. Still see you. A little help here, people? Yeah, one more hit and I die. Oh, I think I'm stuck here. Got him. Yep, there it is. That's what he looks like. Just a very skinny dude. Jumping around with a little knife. Oh, he has a barcode on him. Never noticed that before.
617's been spotted in this sector. Shoot on
I
sight.
got this. I got this. I got this. Oh, what? I can't use my grenades. Oh, crap. There they are. Use my pig stick. How are you not dead yet? What?
This is not the end.
Oh my gosh, I literally like wrecked him and he didn't even die. Yeah, that's great. It's totally
Right
great.
then, let's move out.
And this guy's AFK, so it's just me. Hi. Oh well, I'll take the challenge. I see you. Oh jeez, he's right in front of me. Oh crap. He got my friend. Oh, there's my body. Yep, that's great.
Move out.
Oh, this guy's back. Thank you. Above us.
Target down.
Yes, good job, Andrew. He's all, yep. And we hit him? Yes. Thank you. Come on. How come this never works? Never figure out where they are. See? See what I mean? Oh, yeah, also, there's a stamina bar on the bottom left. Just like my health. And I'm so dead. Wow, I can't really do anything. I don't have a grenade or anything for some reason. Nope, definitely don't have a grenade. Okay, still camping there. Oh, no, they're not. They're over here. Oh my gosh, this guy is so good. Actually, this map just sucks. I'm sorry. Oh, there I am.
Keep your eyes open.
Seriously, this map really sucks. I mean, I'm not even lying. I'm usually good. I'm usually great at the hidden. Sorry if you guys can't really see him, it's just that I'm not sure if the recording could actually see him very well. I mean, like, it's hard enough already. What the fudge? Oh, prop killing. I see what he's doing. Yeah, for some reason prop killing just takes off your entire health. Well, most of it. See, there we go. Yeah, it takes off a lot of health. What the heck? Oh, no ammo, great. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you all for watching. Well, goodbye humans. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the video. Also, tell me what I should play next. And as always, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.